if you only have one stream of income, especially if that stream of income is a job, this is the video for you. This the one. Y'all, that's wild. That's wild. And especially if you're living in the United States where it's like not even really affordable to have one stream of income. I mean, people are out here struggling with multiple jobs, so let alone one stream of income. Y'all, that's crazy. It is 2024. There are too many ways that you can be making money from your phone. Like literally, as long as you have a Wi-Fi signal, there's too many ways that you can be making money. There is nothing more empowering than making money on your own. Like so many people are going to a job they cannot stand, busting their butts 40, 50, 60 hours a week just to what? Make ends meet? For a job that can replace you at any given moment, that will replace you at any given moment, and just for them to what? Cap your income, for you to have to ask permission to travel, for you to have to feel guilty because you're sick or you're not feeling well, and you still work anyways. Y'all, make it make sense. There's too many ways to make money online. Like people always ask me, like, how do you afford to travel? Like, how are you traveling? What are you doing for work? I have 10 streams of income. I work for myself. And this wasn't always the case, y'all. I had jobs on jobs. And there is nothing like making money for yourself. You just have to start where you are. I give you so many options in my guide. It's called the Cash Flow Come Up Checklist. Side hustles, income streams, anybody can do. If you got more time than money, more money than time, if you're an introvert, if you're a beginner, it doesn't matter. There's something in there for you.